carnival time in Germany, traditionally a boisterous occasion, but that was the before times. This is now. Off the streets, stuck in their cars, but the world's coming out of its worst COVID wave yet. Here's the global curve going back to the beginning of the pandemic. Case numbers have been steadily dropping now for more than 5 weeks, from an average of more than 750,000 cases a day to less than half that today. Case numbers are now back to where they were in October of last year. That's in large part due to huge improvements in the United States, the biggest contributor to this global curve, but also in Europe, where many countries were plunged into Christmas lockdowns. We've seen a 50% improvement from that peak.
The fire is not out, but we have reduced its size. If we stop fighting it on any front, it will come roaring back.
Public health measures and restrictions got us here, but it's hoped vaccines will continue to put pressure on the curve. In Brazil, doses are now reaching some remote communities, but many poor countries are struggling. The international COVAX program promises some help for developing countries, and vaccines should start to flow soon, with the WHO's emergency approval of the AstraZeneca jab today. COVAX hopes to deliver 336 million doses of vaccines before the middle of the year, growing to 2 billion by year's end. Most of them are earmarked for the poorest countries in the scheme, enough to cover 20% of their population. But that's still a fraction of the 70% coverage the WHO suggests is needed to beat the virus. A long time away for countries like Mozambique, where full vaccination could take 5 years.